Science of Speed here. I am selling my Honda HRN 216. It has a GCV170 motor in it, 170 cc's of power. It's almost brand spanking new. It still has the plastic outer thing. I accidentally I guess it came up and then I peeled it a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty much brand new. Only been used like once or twice. Look at the tread. Look at the powder coating. Very nice. Like very nice textured powder coating. It's the newest of the new. We bought it like maybe a couple months ago, and like very simple, very nice engine. Like it comes with the manual. It comes with two sets of these. I got a it comes with you know, if you want to just do it in a bag, if you don't want it, you know, if you don't want to mulch it, you can do it in the bag. I have a Honda one that's up in the rafters, but I also have this Troy built one that works just fine too. This is the attachment that go. I'm not gonna put it on there, but you know how it works. This flips up. Sorry, my phone. And this just goes in there, so you can catch. Very nice metal frame. And see, very nice. It's and it's a power drive. You know, you can even lock it. You know, you can even lock it. Like so, like, you know, it'll go by itself. The back wheels will spin. And here's the serial number. Mana-1543640. Model HRV or HRN 216 VKAA, and it's assembled in the USA. And replacement parts. See, it's got the little Sorry, my microphone fell out. Sorry, I need my microphone so you can hear me a lot better. But cause this microphone sucks. See, it's got the switch for the bag to the mulch. Very simple. You just pull up. I can't do it right now at this angle, but you know it works. And big gas tank, and really easy to see if you have gas. And you know, it uses any gas you want, but I would prefer like Shell 93, 89 to 93, just the highest, the most expensive you can get. And then it's even got a cutoff. It's got a fuel cutoff right there for emergencies, or if you just want to stop, you just want to keep the carburetor clean. You know, I've always cut it off like after I'm done and let it run out, so the carburetor is completely clean. And that extends the life of the carburetor. Here's the filter. It's a very nice filter, very nice plush seal. See how clean it is? Very clean. Very nice filter. Very simple. Just 2 tabs, and there you go. You're done. And I also have the Honda oil that comes with it. I have a whole bottle of the OEM oil that comes with it. And yeah, it's in perfect condition. Got the nice Honda badge. Uses a very standard plug. And you know, I have not had it starts in 2 pulls. Every time it starts in 2 pulls. No matter what, it starts in 2 pulls. In the cold, it starts in 2 pulls. It's got a very nice. Oh, and all the cables are very nice. Very high quality. Very, very high quality. Like look at the quality of those. A lot of times these cables break a lot because they use very inferior pot metal for these guys, and then like really bad cable, and the string, the pull start is very nice. It's very simple, and yes, it's perfect. All right, it's getting to 5 minutes, so thank you. Check me out on Craigslist, Scienceofspeed, or Instagram, or OFFERUP. Even though I'm having trouble with OFFERUP, Craigslist or Instagram, and you can shoot me a message. And oh yeah, real quick, check it out. It rolls really nice, by the way. Like like I don't even have to use. I don't even have to use the. Oh. Still got the tagger on it. Check that out. Still got the tagger on it and everything. So you know this is brand spanking new. It's not brand spanking new, but it's new. You know? But you'll get it like 25% less than what you, well, probably more than 25% less than what you would buy at like a local store. And you know, you would not have to deal with any lines or cashiers or anything like that. I could literally meet up with you and all that. And the adjustments, very simple. You know, it's got one on this side, so you don't need to do the other side, and then it's got one on that side, so you don't have to do the other side. Very, 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 very simple design. Very simple, and very just quick. Mow the lawn, done. I can mow my lawn in less than 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes with this thing, because it cuts so well. Oh, and the last little thing. It has double blades. See, it has 2 blades. Instead of 1, it's got 2 blades. And look, a very thick flange for those blades to stay on. So it's got 2 blades. 2 blades. One really sharp blade. And the other one is like a, you know, like a, just like a, the bottom blade is just like for the harsher stuff, for the heavier grass. So yeah, double bladed Honda HRN 216. And message me for the price. We bought it for a pretty good amount of money. So, and remember, it comes with 2 bags. One with a Honda, same probably better quality a Honda bag, and it comes with the Honda OEM bag structure frame for the bag to put it on here, so you don't have to and see, check it out, the flap is still in perfect condition. You know, a lot of times these these couple times used mowers. The flappers are already, the flapper at the back is already completely destroyed. So this is pretty much, and I even have the box too if you want the original box. It's up in the attic. Or not up in the attic, but up in the rafter, whatever you want to call it. Bye, guys.